This is Gizmo. Oh, what? Are you trying to tell me a story? Gizmo. Gizmo. So Gizmo is very friendly. He would make a great family dog. He's starting to be about 7 pounds as an adult. He's got a very thick coat. He's actually starting to go through his puppy uglies, which means his baby coat, he's shedding his baby coat, and when he sheds his baby coat, he'll start growing his adult coat. So he is going to have a nice thick coat. He will be more athletic as he's a little bit bigger. And he's got a great temperament. He's not aggressive. He's very friendly. Loves people. Gizmo, go play. I want to video you. No. Here's little Marley over here. Hey, Marley. Marley's super tiny. Marley's super tiny. Oh, Gizmo. Okay. Okay, it's pretty hard to videotape you if you're going to just crawl all over me. So he's 8 weeks old tomorrow. He'll be ready to go on the weekend. Tomorrow is Thursday. So he's ready to go on the long weekend. But I have other puppies that are going later because people are on holiday. So if you're interested in him, he doesn't have to go on the long weekend. Gizmo is going to be cream with some light orange on his back. What are you guys doing? Gizmo, what are you doing? Here's Tucker and Teddy having a little fight. Little dog fight. Hey, Gizmo. Gizmo. And this is Simba. Simba is also starting to go through his puppy uglies. As you can see, the outer hair there and the undercoat is starting to thin. That's what happens. They lose their puppy coat and they start to grow their adult coat. Hey, Simba. There's a baby. There's a baby. Simba's very friendly too. He is sold to Jade. I want to get your face so Jade can see you. There's your cute little face. There's your cute little face. Yeah, so his ears are standing up now too. Good boy. And here comes Gizmo and Teddy. Hey, Gizmo. So the only puppy that's available now is Gizmo. And Gizmo is $1,200. He's CKC registered and comes with a 2-year health guarantee, shots, vet check, deworming, 6 weeks of free health insurance. As you can see, he's very active. Be nice to your little brother. And we have Simba chewing on my toes. Simba. That's Chevy in the middle. Not Chevy, that's Gizmo in the middle. So now Gizmo and Simba are about the same size. Here's Simba. This is little Tucker. I just gave Tucker a big hairbrush. Tucker's going to his new home this weekend too, so we're getting him all nice. Teddy! Oh, there's the puppies. Oh, Tucker, what's the trouble? Did everybody jump over there and you didn't get to? Hey, 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 hey! Simba! Puppy, puppy, puppy! Come here, Simba. Come here. Don't pick on your brother. He's way smaller than you. Puppy, 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 puppy. This is Simba. Oh, yes. Where is? Here's Tucker.